In this video, we will show you how to replace the hose on your Greenworks pressure washer. This guide can be followed for all units with a built-in hose reel. Depressurize the hose. With the water supply disconnected and the power off, press the trigger to release air from the line. Once depressurized, unscrew the hose and disconnect it from the spray gun. Replacing the hose. Fully unwind the hose to gain access to the connector. Unscrew the worn hose from the connection and discard. Screw the replacement hose onto the connector and reinstall the spray gun assembly. Reconnect the hose to the spray gun. For videos on how to maintain and operate your pressure washer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks pressure washer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.